Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Nissan Pulsar ST Hatch, stock reference number 4659. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an MR18DE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand headlight, tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, sun visor, right hand sun visor, interior mirror, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.